In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your filing in TurboTax. If you need to restart your tax return from the beginning, TurboTax gives you a built-in option to remove the information from your current filing and start fresh. This can be helpful if you entered the wrong details, selected the wrong filing path, or simply want to redo everything from a clean slate. Just keep in mind that this action removes the information in the return you're currently working on, so make sure that's really what you want before you confirm it. To get started, log into your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. Make sure you're inside the return you want to reset, since this process applies to the active filing you have open. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and click Tax Home. This takes you back to the main area for your current return, where you can access additional tools and settings related to your filing. From there, open Tax Tools from the left-hand menu. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little or expand the menu to see it clearly. This section contains several management options for your return, including the reset feature you're looking for. Next, click Clear and Start Over. As soon as you do that, TurboTax will display a warning message. Take a moment to read it carefully. The message explains that your current tax return information will be deleted. This is important because once you continue, you're removing the data entered in that return and going back to the beginning of the filing process. If you're sure you want to continue, click Clear and Start Over to confirm. After that, wait a few moments while TurboTax removes the information from your current return. The time this takes may vary slightly, but usually it only takes a short moment. When the process is complete, verify that your tax return has been reset and that you've been returned to the beginning of the filing process. This is your confirmation that the previous information has been cleared successfully. At that point, you can begin entering your tax information again from the start. Take your time as you re-enter everything, and double-check key details as you go to help avoid having to reset the return again. Thanks for watching.